Eagle Lake, Alberta. We're going to head out there and go after some pike and walleye. Hopefully we get into some. Once I get out there too, I'll also let you know the algae conditions, because you might be able to get out 1 or 2 more times before the ice hits. So let's get out on that lake and get into some fish. Well, we're out on Eagle Lake. The algae's gone, but it's pretty old. I'm gonna do that. Bob's hooked into one, just bottom bouncing. See what we got here. It's coming in behind the boat. It's really windy. We came out here, there was no wind, and now it's just windy. But the wind also chalked the lake up really bad, so it's pretty chalky. There he is, I see him down there. Yeah, nice little walleye. Premium. Okay, get Pops done, hook him and release him. There's that walleye Pops caught. We've been out here for a while, it got super windy. Yeah. And there he goes. Okay, let's get back to it. So all the algae is gone on the lake, so it's definitely fishable, but because of the heavy winds, it's chalked it up pretty bad. There he is. Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Premium. Okay. Let Pops deal with him. There's that walleye. Pops got on a shoal. He'll give us a little shoal. There we go. Okay, and back down. Premium. Okay. Well, Pops got another one. Pops is on fire. Day, but it's pretty windy. What do we got here? Should be coming up here. He's really fighting. A little guy. He's fat though. Okay, I'll let Pops hook him and release him. A little fat walleye. Wow. Pops is gonna turn him out. Unfortunately, the wind became too much to deal with, but Pops did get into some nice walleye before we were pushed off the lake, and we got to see that the algae was minimal in the lake. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.